Good Thursday afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard our market intel brief here at TOPGUN Options. I'm Matthew Buckley, call sign Wiz. If you want to learn how to dogfight the market and profit, I'm your guy, and TOPGUN Options is your place. And I can also teach you how to dogfight a real jet. But anyway, folks, look at this. Look at this insane volatility. Over the past week and a half, the market has imploded. It's bounced. It's been all over the place. And we are printing money. Men lie, trades don't. At the open, Monday morning, the VIX, the volatility index, the uncertainty gauge, the fear gauge, was up 120%. In the live trade brief, before we got airborne, I said, buy the 40 strike puts. Buy them right now with both hands. The VIX imploded that day, and we printed money on those VIX puts. At the same time I said buy puts on the VIX, I said buy some S&P 500 calls. That was $5,000 in about 15 minutes. Zero, I'm not going to say zero skill. There was some skill involved, but folks, it was like shooting fish in a barrel. And that's when the market was down. Let me just close our radar range a little bit. Let's do a little 3-month chart here. Let's scroll up. So the market, we'll do 6 months. So the market imploded, folks, through this 150-day moving average. And I said, we're going to get a snapback rally by Friday up to this 100-day moving average. The blue line right there is the 100-day. Tuesday morning, we placed an S&P 500 bull call spread out to Friday. Yesterday in the live trade brief, I added a bull put spread. So we legged into a tactic called a bullish double vertical. It's a directional trade and it prints money as long as you're right. And thankfully here at TOPGUN Options, about 92% of the time I'm right. So what happened with our bullish double vertical? It was closed today, ladies and gentlemen. Let me scroll here. I just posted this in here. Closed for a 92% profit. That's essentially what? 2.5 days of trading, $8,200 in profit. Oh, and by the way, look at this trade right here that I shot today, a little while ago. Let me go back. This was a bear call spread for today, the 53.25, 53.30. Look at Joel. Got 25 of these. Nice $4,500 profit. Thanks, Wiz. You are absolutely welcome, Joel, my friend. I love seeing those type of testimonials. $10,400 in profit in a couple days. Man, I've been seeing a lot of pain online. People complaining on my 401ks turning into a 201k and I'm getting wiped out. Well, don't mean to laugh at you, but I'm going to, folks. This is trading. Trading is a form of combat. You want a friend, get a dog. Everybody's a genius when the market's going straight up, aren't you? You're not. You know who's the geniuses are people like me who print money as this happens. As an options trader, I don't care which way the market's going, up, down, or sideways. We can potentially profit no matter the direction. However, I do like blood in the streets, blood in the markets. I can't even say blood in the streets anymore because that's kind of what's going on in the world right now, which is awful. But anyway, look at this. It cracks me up that everybody's just, I'm just such a brilliant trader, Wiz. I don't need any help with anything, or I don't need TOPGUN. Slam. Oh, my God, please help me. We printed money this week, folks, over $10,000 in a handful of S&P 500 trades. Okay? Now, that massive profit this week is helping to repair some of the longs. I got kicked in the shorts last week on Amazon earnings, but it doesn't matter. Why? Because I'm long-term bullish on Amazon 2.5 years out into the future, and we got longer or added more Amazon on this pullback, folks. Amazon is the Death Star. You buy it on a pullback. Look at this. So Amazon, big pullback, massive bounce. I told you to buy it, man. It was a $200 stock a month ago, folks, or weeks ago, and you're going to tell me down at 150 you wouldn't want some? That was dumb. You should have bought Amazon down here. You can join me Monday. Why don't you buy some Amazon? Why don't you join our solo Amazon group? How about you do that? Trade groups. Go to TopGunOptions.com under trade groups. Scroll down to Solo Amazon, folks. It's only $97 a month. That's a crappy bottle of wine down here in South Florida. $97 a month, or you can do an annual membership and you get 2 months free. Get 2 months free if you do an annual membership. I strongly recommend if you join our Solo Amazon service, there's a little up, just like when you buy something on Amazon, there's an upsell. I think it's $297, should be thousands of dollars worth of training, but take the $297 upsell, folks, for the Options Weapons School training. 6 Options Weapons School sessions that will get you up to speed quickly so you can potentially profit, okay? Options Weapons School, you want to take that upsell, and you get your workbooks for free. You get your primary, intermediate, and advanced workbooks down here and all sorts of stuff, okay? If you're ready to go past that, you know what, Wiz? I've been following you for a while. I wish I had made $10,417 in the past couple days. Go full throttle, man. Click on Trade Groups and go to full throttle. $295 a month. Come and kick the tires. Or, if you're smart, you just saw that in 3 trading days, we saw over 10 grand in profit. Hell, 10 grand in profit. The last time I did a Max Afterburner Lifetime insane deal, it was 10 grand. In 3 days, I paid for a lifetime membership that is valued at what? $24,000. So folks, do an annual Full Throttle Max membership for $29.95. But if you want to kick the tires, you can join our Hunters, which gets you access to this elite trading squadron over there, or just $295 monthly. You do not get access to the Hunters. And the Hunters is back here. We have an app, and you download it, and all my trades are posted in there. It's on the Collab app, it is called, okay? Again, folks, I don't mean to poke, but it cracks me up that with the market going straight up for the past 9 months, everybody's just whistling past the graveyard. And then when the shit hits the fan, people panic. I love people panicking. I profit. I wrote a book. You can order it. I'll sign it for you. COVID Crash, From Panic to Profit. We made $2.5 million, folks, in 3 weeks. In about 3 weeks, we made $2.5 million. Literally, little old ladies in tennis shoes at Top Gun Options became millionaires. Why? Because of this type of thing. People panicked. I absolutely loved it. I will teach you how to profit as others panic. This ain't hard, folks. It ain't rocket surgery. So just go to our homepage, okay? Click on one of the trade groups and come test us out, all right? Men lie, trades don't. I just showed you that was our trade groups. You can go in there and see all these trades. I post them throughout the day. I got an app. You're going to have an app on your phone where all these trade alerts pop up. This is our new website. This is good stuff. Hey, before I forget, go to our YouTube channel, the No Fallen Heroes YouTube channel. Episode 105 just dropped. Combat Corpsman finds healing with plant medicine. Gerard Napier, folks, great American. His story is pretty. It's pretty good, folks. You can listen to the Max Afterburner podcast if you're going to be in traffic or going to Stairmaster, work out at the gym. It's on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Stitcher, wherever cool kids listen to podcasts. You can listen to it there, or you can watch Jared and I talk through this. Very, very good podcast. We have had some great podcasts recently, and we're really putting the ladder down to try and help save and change lives, especially as this world really starts going to crap here, man. There is some really bad things going on. Hell, there were 7 U.S. personnel wounded in an attack the other day on a base in Iraq. Barely made the news. Again, Iran's allowed to punch us in the face, wound our soldiers. We don't do anything. Don't even get me started. I don't want any of this to happen, but I will be ready to profit if the world keeps going to shit. Would you rather be broke and miserable as everything goes to shit, or would you rather be rich, have some money, take care of your family and friends? I know what I do, folks, and I do it pretty damn well. Hey, Solo Amazon, we're going to do a free brief in like a couple weeks, man. That's really far out into the future, but you can sign up early if you want. Go.topgunoptions.com/diversification. And I'm going to show you why diversifying your portfolio is for stupid people. You just don't know what you're doing. I'm going to show you the only stock you need to own, but that's on August 19th. Spend the $97 and join Solo Amazon today. get airborne, and start making some profits. Have a great rest of your day. Fights on. Namaste and Basi Basi. Wiz out.